I am extremely happy to speak about our institute, Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology, popularly known as VBIT. The institute is established in the year 2004 by Vivekananda Educational Trust. This trust is managed by our beloved chairman, Dr. Gautam Rao, our beloved secretary, Dr. Manohar Reddy, our beloved treasurer, Dr. KKV Sharma. We are fortunate enough to have all these eminent persons as our management members. All these members are doctorates in their own field of specialization. Our chairman is a PhD in sociology, our secretary is a PhD in chemistry, and our treasurer is a PhD in Sanskrit. Due to their immense knowledge, they give a lot of value to the academic standards. As a result, right from the establishment of the institute, we have grown in all directions, maybe in terms of infrastructure, in terms of faculty strength, in terms of teaching learning process, in terms of laboratory equipment, and so on. Over the last 15 years, we have achieved number of milestones, like we are permanently affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad, we are NBA accredited, we are accredited by NAAC. Now recently, I am very proud to say that we are autonomous. And further, JNTU Hyderabad has recognized our institute as a research center in the field of space physics. We have a separate research and development wing headed by Dr. Gopadatta, under which we are getting financial support from premier organizations like Indian Space Research Organization, Department of Science and Technology, UGC, JNTU, and so on. Under R&D, number of candidates have successfully completed their PhD and they are doing wonderfully well in their own field of specialization. Coming to the teaching learning process, we give a lot of importance to the academic standards. And we have a student-centric administration wherein we carry out all the activities which are beneficial to the students. We conduct number of industrial tours, short visits. We invite eminent experts from industry and academia for guest lectures, for practical sessions, and for demo classes. We believe that in this stringent environment, only BTech degree is not sufficient for the students to prevail in this competitive environment. Keeping this in mind, we have number of value-added programs inducted into the students right from their first year. We have a memorandum of understanding with Oxford University, wherein selected students of first year are given training to improve their communication skills. We do have audio-visual systems, wherein students of all the 4 years are exposed to professors of premier institutes like IITs, NITs, and other deemed universities. And these audio-visual classes, we have made it as a part of their timetable. So every week for 2 hours, students of all branches of all 4 years will have to go to AV rooms which are equipped with high-end systems, with high-end networking and top quality software. And well before the beginning of the semester, faculty of all the specializations are asked to download the video clippings of premier professors and load it in the AV classes. And further, we have separate programs like campus recruitment training, then microchip, then we have ServiceNow, and so many other programs in addition to regular JNTU curriculum. By way of these programs, students will get enrichment and they will be able to do better in terms of their placements, in terms of their higher studies, in terms of the entrepreneurship and so on. And coming to entrepreneurship, we have MOU with ISB, wherein students of second year are trained under TEP, Technical Entrepreneurship Program. So right from second year, students will have the awareness of how to start an industry, how to decide the product, how to do the market survey, and how to commercialize their product. And further, to encourage the young engineering students, we have startups in our own campus. We are encouraging students who are passed out from our institute to have their incubations in our own campus. For this purpose, we have provided them a separate space and we are also giving them appropriate honorarium so that they can take care of their regular needs. We do believe in the fact that fitness is the most important part, like physical fitness as well as mental fitness. Keeping this in mind, we have a full-fledged physical education department in which we have 3 physical directors, one with a doctorate and the other with MPEDs. As a part of this physical education, we provide sports hours to the students of all 4 years for 2 hours per week, in which students are made to go to the grounds and play a game of their choice at least for 100 minutes a week, so that they will be able to have correct physical fitness and correct mental fitness, and they will be able to develop the sportive spirit among them. And we do encourage the students to participate in various sports and games across the country so that they will be able to showcase their talent at a university level, state level and national level. I am very proud to say that our volleyball team is the best under JNTUH, and this volleyball team has won gold medal quite a number of times. And we do encourage the students to play their games beyond the working hours. And we do have hostel facility for both boys and girls separately, wherein we provide them hygienic environment, top quality food as per the choice of the students, and students are given with number of opportunities like extended library hours, so that beyond the working hours, students can come and sit in the library and read the books, read the journals. We do provide physical fitness facilities like gym, auditorium and others, so that students will be able to do all the activities which are beyond the JNTU curriculum. And in order to have excellent results, we do conduct special classes for slow learners, extra classes and extra labs, so that students will be able to do better in the arena of examinations. I am very proud to say that our students are doing extremely well in examinations under JNTUH. I am immensely hopeful that 2019-20 batch, which are under autonomous status, will be doing extremely well, and we have framed autonomous curriculum much better than the prevailing curriculum, so that students will be able to have the exposure to various subjects which are industrial oriented, which are practical oriented. And we do have special provision for yoga classes and meditation classes, etc. And in order to encourage the students for administration, for developmental skills, we have 24 clubs which are managed, organized by the students only, with a faculty as a coordinator. And all these 24 clubs are doing extremely well. They submit their plan of action for the entire academic year in the beginning of the academic year, and they make a presentation in front of management, principal and HODs, which will be properly approved. And all these activities they will be doing without disturbing their classwork. And we encourage the students to attend the classes as well as organize other activities, so that everything is imbibed in a homogeneous way. And with this, we hope to see that VBIT will reach higher levels in the years to come with the support of management, faculty, parents and students. I am very much hopeful that we will be able to reach higher milestones in future. Thank you.